Hello friends, welcome to my channel Foody fanclub, and today I am going to prepare Rajasthani onion chutney, which is really very delicious, and you can also store this chutney for 3 to 4 days in any airtight container. It is a perfect combination with rice and any types of paratha. Make it at home, it's really very easy, so let's start to making Rajasthani onion chutney. Therefore, first we need to roast some spices. Okay, so here I am taking 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds, 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, 8 to 10 dry red chilies, and roast it for 1 to 2 minutes in a low to medium heat. Now you can see the color of our spices is little bit dark. So it's done. Now I am going to crush the spices. Okay, it's done. In the same pan here I am going to add almost 2 tablespoons of oil. Into it I am going to add a garlic clove, and it's almost 20 to 25 cloves, and roast it until slightly golden brown. Okay, now it's time to add onions. Here I have cut a 2 medium size of onion into slices. Almost 1 tablespoon of tamarind. Do not skip the tamarind, it gives special flavor to our chutney. And mix all these ingredients really well. Keep note friends, do not overcook these onions, just cook it until slightly pink. You can see friends, our onion slices are slightly pink and soft enough. So it's done. Now I am going to crush this mixture. Okay, it's done, and now it's time to final tempering. So therefore here I am taking almost 3 tablespoons of oil, almost 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon split black gram, and 10 to 15 curry leaves. Stir it for a while. It's done, and you can see our dals are slightly golden brown. Okay, now it's time to add the paste which we have crushed before. Mix it well. Okay, now here I am going to add a roasted spices powder. Mix it well. After 1 minute you can see the consistency. So at this stage I am going to add almost 1 cup of water here. And mix it well. Again cook it for a minute. And now it's time to add a salt as per taste. Again cook it for a minute. Now you can see there is a small oil bubbles on the top of our chutney. That is a signal that our chutney is ready now. Consistency should be like this, and as you can see the color is also perfect. So it's time to serve. So if you really like my video, then do not forget to like and share with your friends. If you have already cooked this chutney as per my video, then do not forget to share your experience in the comments below. Oh yes, do not forget to subscribe my channel to get a new recipe videos. Thank you, bye.